Hello, English Go-Getter. Today's quiz is all about pets and animals. Let's go over the instructions. You will look at the image, then choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 5 seconds and then the answer will appear. Now, let's get started. Question 1. And the correct answer is letter C, dog. Question 2. And the correct answer is letter A, snake. Question number 3. And the correct answer is letter B, chicken. Question 4. And the correct answer is letter A, horse. Question 5. And the correct answer is letter C, sheep. Question 6. And the correct answer is letter B, cow. Question 7. And the correct answer is letter B, fish. Question 8. And the correct answer is letter C, rabbit. Question 9. And the correct answer is letter C, duck. Question 10. And the correct answer is letter B, turtle. Hey, English Go-Getter, keep going. You're halfway there.
Hey, that wasn't that bad.
Question 11. And the correct answer is letter A, bird. Question 12. And the correct answer is letter B, cat. Question 13. And the correct answer is letter C, donkey. Question 14. And the correct answer is letter A, pig. Question 15. And the correct answer is letter A, giraffe. Question 16. And the correct answer is letter B, hamster. Question 17. And the correct answer is letter B, lion. Question 18. And the correct answer is letter C, goose. Question 19. And the correct answer is letter C, deer. Question 20. And the correct answer is letter A, zebra. You did it, English Go-Getter. You finished the quiz. Time to celebrate.
Yeah, mission accomplished.
And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video, English Go-Getter.